It's a perfect day for a walk today. Silly Sam is on his way. He grabs his shoes and runs to the door. One sneaker, one slipper, oh no, no more. My feet need matching shoes. He laughs. Sam steps outside and breathes fresh air. But two sunglasses are sitting there. Oh dear Sam, that pair is mine. Mom laughs, you look so funny and fine. Holding Mom's hand, he walks down the street, but backward walking with his feet. Oh, 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 bump into a mailbox he goes. Forward is better, Sam now knows.
He skips, he hops, he twirls around, spinning and falling on the ground. He sees a puddle on the way.
Splash!
Wet socks, but that's okay.
After his silly walk and play, Sam goes home at the end of the day. Shoes off, couch time to relax.
Oops, my backpack is still on my back.
Silly Sam laughs with a happy grin. Let's go for a walk.